If you want to make a presentation very quickly, stay with me until the end of the video. At first, we go to this website, sign up for free, Google or email, create workspace, tell us about yourself, how do you plan to use GitHub for a school, which of the following best describes your role, a student, select a school type, university, how did you hear about us, get started, presentation, choose the number of cards, selecting language, describe what you like to make. Generate outline. Add card. Amount of text per card. Image source. Web image or generate image with AI. Image style. Describe the colors, style, or mood to use. Filling is optional. Continue. Pick a theme. Generate. Our presentation is ready. Share, present, export. Export to PDF or PowerPoint. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.